Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by importing your footage and confirming the sequence frame rate matches your delivery spec. This avoids drift later. Once done, switch to the captions or text workspace and add a new caption track so your subtitles live as a separate layer. You choose open captions to style directly or select a subtitle file format like SRT for export. This choice determines whether captions are burned in or exported as a sidecar file, which matters for downstream workflows. You can either auto-transcribe and convert that transcript to captions, or type each subtitle directly into the captions panel. Both let you set in /out points. While working on the timeline, trim caption clips to tighten sync and nudge with keyboard shortcuts for frame-accurate placement. Make sure to limit characters per line, choose a legible font size and color contrast, and adjust line positioning so captions don't overlap graphics or action. This improves comprehension and viewer experience. When you finish, export captions as an SRT sidecar or burn them into the video via export settings captions. Choose burn-in when you need universal playback. After export, verify the file in a media player to confirm timing and styling. If captions drift or misalign, make sure the sequence and export frame rates match and re-render captions on the same sequence. This fixes most sync issues. If problems persist, recreate captions from the transcript and recheck in /out points before.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.